The day has arrived. Today, the Fateh Class officially joins the Iranian naval fleet.
Breaking news from Universal Manufacturing. Iran's latest Fateh Class submarine has just completed sea trials.
The Fateh Class is officially entering its final assembly phase, a major threat to regional adversaries.
The Fateh Class uses a hybrid system, making it much quieter than previous models, a direct challenge to Israel's fleet. Target unlocked.
Incredible. The Fateh Class has just proven its lethality. Israel may have the backing of the West, but Iran has the ingenuity of its people.
Welcome to Universal Manufacturing. Today, we reveal the secret process behind Iran's new Fateh Class submarine.
This process creates the cylindrical sections of the pressure hull.
Universal Manufacturing.
Life on board is tough. 35 men live in this steel tube for weeks, dedicated to protecting Iran's waters.
این هدف است. زیردریایی فاتح باید فوراً آن را رهگیری کند. اطاعت می‌شود قربان. رهگیری آغاز شد.
This is the brain of the Fateh Class. Here, the crew manages everything from navigation to weapon systems.
Now, these individual rings are joined to create the primary structure of the Fateh Class submarine. Lower the starboard side. We need 1 more centimeter on the alignment. Hold it steady!
We are now in the heart of the vessel, where the propulsion systems will soon be installed.
With this advanced sonar, the Fateh can detect enemy ships long before they even know a submarine is present. Lower slowly, watch the alignment. Roger that, steady as she goes.
It's clear on my side.
Despite sanctions, Iran has built the Fateh class at a fraction of the cost of Israel's Dolphin class.
The structure is complete. Join us in the next part as we witness the inauguration and the first sea trials.
The day has arrived. Today, the Fateh Class officially joins the Iranian naval fleet.
The Fateh Class submarine is equipped with the advanced Nasser-1 cruise missile, launched from these 533mm torpedo tubes.
Beyond torpedoes, the Fateh is equipped with cruise missiles that can be launched from underwater, a deadly surprise for any enemy.
While Israeli submarines are advanced, the Fateh's ability to stay silent while launching cruise missiles makes it a nightmare for coastal defenses.
We are now heading to the deep testing zone for the Fateh's first dive.
The Fateh can dive to depths of 200 meters, allowing it to hide in the thermal layers of the sea where Israeli sonar struggles.
Target locked.
Incredible! The Fateh Class has just proven its lethality with a direct hit on a surface target. With its 5-week endurance, the Fateh can reach the Red Sea, putting Israeli interests at risk far from home.
این هدف است. زیردریایی فاتح باید فوراً آن را رهگیری کند. اطاعت می شود قربان. رهگیری آغاز شد.
Iran doesn't need a huge fleet. Small, silent submarines like the Fateh can cripple a superior navy through stealth and surprise.
X-rudder design gives the Fateh superior maneuverability in the shallow, tricky waters of the Persian Gulf.
At night, the Fateh becomes a ghost, lurking where it's least expected.
The Fateh Class submarine, seen here flanked by 2 of Iran's largest warships, is a testament to the nation's growing naval power.
The Fateh acts as the underwater eyes for this massive convoy, protecting it from below. Speed, stealth, and firepower. The Fateh Class is not just a submarine, it's a statement of Iranian independence.
Inside this hull lies the most advanced electronic brain ever developed for an Iranian vessel.
In a conflict scenario, the Fateh Class can effectively shut down the world's most vital oil passage. The fuel efficiency here allows for a 35-day mission without ever needing to surface for air.
The specialized 7-blade scimitar propeller prevents cavitation, making the submarine virtually invisible to enemy hydrophones.
While Israel uses German designs, Iran has perfected this 7-blade system to ensure total silence in shallow waters.
وضعیت تسلیحات آماده. در بیرونی رو باز کنید.
Each one of these can change the course of a naval war in seconds.
The threat is real, and the technology is proven.
Iran's goal is a fleet of 10. Mass production is already underway here at Universal Manufacturing. Easy now, keep it straight. All right, slowly and stop.
Israel may have the backing of the West, but Iran has the ingenuity of its people. Every mission is a step toward total maritime sovereignty.
From a sheet of steel to a master of the deep. This is the Fateh Class.
Nowhere is safe. The hunt has begun.
We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into Iran's naval power.
This was the complete process of the Fateh Class. I am your host for Universal Manufacturing.
Watch more of our manufacturing series here.